Welcome to Tech Talk. In today's video, we'll explore Meta Orion Glass, a groundbreaking technology that's transforming how we interact with information. We'll break down what it is, how it functions, and why it's such an exciting innovation. Stay tuned to learn more. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. Simply put, it's a type of augmented reality glass that overlays digital information onto the real world. Developed by Meta, these glasses use advanced computer vision and machine learning algorithms to recognize objects, people, and environments, and then display relevant information about them in real time. Meta Orion Glass uses a combination of cameras, sensors, and display technology to bring augmented reality to life. The glasses are equipped with a high-resolution display that shows you digital information, such as text, images, and videos, while also allowing you to see the real world around you. The cameras and sensors on the glasses track your movements and environment, allowing the system to accurately overlay digital information onto the real world. With these glasses, you can get directions and information about your surroundings, learn more about objects and people you encounter, and even control your smart home devices with just a glance. Imagine being able to walk into a room and instantly knowing more about the people and objects around you. That's the power of Meta Orion Glass. But that's not all. The potential for Meta Orion Glass goes far beyond what we can imagine today. With the ability to seamlessly blend the digital and physical worlds, the possibilities for education, healthcare, entertainment, and more are vast. Imagine being able to learn about complex topics.